Hello everybody and welcome to Busch Gardens Tampa. Getting ready for an exciting day here at Busch Gardens Tampa for what could be some really good fun all together. See if we can find any updates going on by after last week, and of course what may happen with that whole new project going on. Maybe some updates on the Phoenix, but of course we already know the main reason why we're here, getting some rides on Iron Gwazi. So if you like what we do here at WeTheCoasters, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, hit that bell notification for any future uploads, and of course follow us on our Instagram. Other than that, let's go inside, get started with today. And I just want to point this out, lots of closures today. Scorpion, Stanley Falls Flume, Congo River Rapids, Wild Surge, Falcons Fury. A lot of yikes right there. Oh boy. That sucks. Now, before we get into any of the rides today, I just want to showcase a couple of things real quick. First thing everyone would like to ask about Busch Gardens Tampa is the all-day dining deal worth it? And honestly, in my opinion, if you do at least 2 or maybe even 3 meal visits during your park visit, depending on the day and the visit that you go and the time of the year, I think it's worth it. Now, one of the places that we're here at is Zagora Cafe, which is the first place you walk into when you walk into the park. Other places include the Zambia Smokehouse, Chick-fil-A, the Crown Colony House, also with like next door the Giraffe Bar, and the Dragonfire Grill. Those places offer the all-day dining deal. And honestly, I think it's worth it. Now, one other thing I do want to know is this. If you are a pass holder, you get a good discount. It goes to $45. And if you are not a pass holder, it goes up to $54 for an adult. So I just want to point that out, that if you do come to Busch Gardens and you do want to get this is something that I personally do recommend, depending on the time and day and if it's really, really busy. So that's something I just want to point out as a whole. And just a quick side note, the meal goes every hour. So forgot to mention that, but just keep that as a forewarning in case when you do get it and the next time you get your meal. Iron Gwazi, currently a 30-minute wait. This dude's posing, he knows it. One of my favorites out here, but a 30-minute wait. Doesn't look too crowded, but a little slow in the operation. Probably a 1, maybe 2 train up, we'll see though. As you've seen, we got off Shikra. Great ride. And you're seeing a lot of good progress by the Stanley Falls Flume. Water has been added to the area, and they are testing it. So, should be a matter of time till this ride reopens. And we'll have a water ride right before summer, of course. But I guarantee with the way how the weather has been lately, how hot it's been, I guarantee people can't be happy to see this open. The paint looks really good. They definitely spruce it up a lot there, so that's good work to see there at Busch Gardens Tampa. Tiger's currently a 5-minute wait. That may change in a little bit. We'll see though, but of course, it's a one-train op, but we should get on with no problem. So let's get on the ride. So as you know, Congo River Rapids is closed, so they have closed off this whole area. However, there is an update about Cobra. There's been some markings over by the supports for the Cobra roll in this area. Now, I have not seen them with my own two eyes, but they are there, and we were originally to check them out today, but because they had closed this ride, no access. So next time we come over, we'll try to do what we can, show you, and we'll report on it as soon as possible. Congo train station. As you can see, it has opened. We're gonna go down here and wait for the train to come on by. It feels great to go on that side for once and get all the views. Let's go. Just want to showcase any of the changes. So they changed up this sign over here and gave it a new paint job. And just kind of cleaned up this whole area here. Nothing too fancy. But yeah, just wanted to showcase that. But it is open. Come on down here if you want to, especially the weekend. It really comes in handy. Cobra going off in the background right there. Over here at Scorpion, as you know, Scorpion is not operating today. You're probably wondering what's going on. Well, you can see there's a mechanic right over here towards the front, working on the front of the car. And fun fact, a couple days after our visit to Busch Gardens Tampa, I think more specifically, this happened on Tuesday. The ride actually valied right around over in this area after the loop. This was just the after effect when it was, but there has been no reports as to entirely knowing how it actually valied or what entirely happened. But yeah, I'm honestly shocked. I would have never thought this ride would have valied, but that's the second ride that's ever valied here just within this year alone. So gonna be interesting and all that, but hopefully by next time we'll be back here, should be open.
Spin, spin, Cobra's curse. There is no escape, the Cobra's curse. Just up ahead, this yellow and blue coaster is one of the world's most top-rated roller coasters of all time. It is Monsoon. Monsoon is unique because it is an inverted coaster. Inverted meaning you hang from the tracks. Monsoon twists and turns you 7 different times. Can you tame the terror of Monsoon?
Great paint job.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have slowed down, which means we're at my favorite part of this ride. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, from this moment on, we are now entering a wild animal habitat. These wild animals do have the right of way. I ask that you please remain seated. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please remain seated. We are now entering a wild animal habitat. Sir in the blue, please remain seated.
Sit down!
If I have to stop the train, everyone will know who I stopped it for. Please do not raise small children in the air. We are not recreating the opening scene of that one movie. I can't say the movie, but you know what I mean. Looking over on the left-hand side as we round these trees and bushes, you will see standing at the top of the hill black and white stripes. These black and white stripes belong to the Grebe zebra. Grebe zebra are unique because their stripes stop at their shoulder blades, giving them an all-white belly. If you look just beyond those.
So while we're walking away from Cheetah Hunt and head over to the Egypt area, so if you noticed last time I did Cheetah Hunt, the ride was interesting. It actually destroyed my shoulders a little bit there. So I don't know if you had heard it when doing that ride, but the restraint really pushed down the shoulders. So yeah, I'm gonna be avoiding that one for a while. Anyways, let's head over to Cobra's Curse and Monsoon. Ride those boys. Let's do it. Cobra's Curse currently a 10-minute wait going on by. And you can tell where it is. So let's just get on. That storm's coming too, man. Oh boy.
The darkness awakens. My power grows. Cobra's curse is
So just want to showcase now, they have it where you can exit the gift shop normally or go out the way that everyone's been doing before. But we're doing that this way now because I think the rain is starting to come. We need to head to Monsoon right away. We need to go now. N-O-W now. Scooter, if you're somehow watching this, I'm doing back row just for you. I know we did row 2, but I'm going to show you how back rows be like. Let's roll. All right, so the rain is starting to come a little bit where we're gonna do Iron Gwazi, but Iron Gwazi broke down, so that's our cue to head on out of here. But crazy month altogether in April, just like last month. And we'll definitely be here in May. I mean, that's kind of obvious, but yeah, good day overall. And we're out of here. I think you can tell by doing this here. I got a couple drops that hit me, so I think that's our cue. It's time to leave. So it's been a really good day here, so I can't really complain. Yeah. All right, guys, so that'll do it here at Busch Gardens Tampa. Thank you guys so much for coming on over and checking out our content here on YouTube. If you like what we did here, hit that like button, subscribe if you're brand new to that channel, hit that bell notification for any future uploads. Follow us on our Instagram at WeTheCoasters, and also follow myself on Twitter. I'll put all those in the links in the description down below. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys later until the next video that'll come on out. Other than that, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day whenever you're watching, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good one, guys. Goodbye.